Hi Norm,
Hey, Hector, how you doing?
all good. How are you?
Yeah, been busy. Just to let you know, we got some positive feedback from Johan in Sweden. I think that they want to go ahead, so that might be coming through in the next few weeks. You just gotta get the final sign off. So yeah, sounds good. And I heard also from Nick in the US. Nick, our old pal,
Yeah,
the laser was it laser or solar? Sorry, solar company are interested. So that's a nice one. But we'll see how that goes because it's taken quite a while. Okay, so today
yeah,
I want to show you something interesting. So you see this screen here? You see test Norman
yeah,
test. Okay, so Norman test at the minute has uh our role security admin, which gives a user access to all that security stuff, and it also has a role called Noah Clerk. Now, if I go into this screen, so I'm logged in using the test account. Okay, if I go into here, I can say accounts are payable, and I can see these options here. Okay.
yeah.
Now, what I want to show you is how easy it is to add access to particular areas in the system using our scenario recorder. So I want to give access to all customers and all sales orders. Okay. So it's really straightforward with our system. So if we go into here and we start the scenario recorder, uh, task recorder, sorry, we give it a name. So let's call it Noah uh, demo. I don't know, put today, so 28. Okay, start the recording. So far, this is out of the box functionality. Okay,
Yeah.
so now if we go to, for example, all customers, we can say it's tracking. Obviously, this is out of the box so far. If we go to all sales orders, it shows that in here. Now, if we stop this, and we say save scenario, it gives us the access points. Okay.
Right. Yeah,
So if, for example, so say that again.
yeah,
So it shows us what we've done, step one, step two, step three, and it gives us the entry point. So if we, for example, take this object, which is the display menu item, in fact, I'm going to duplicate this window and I'm going to go into our security module. So D365 role security management, go into the dashboard, security management. First of all, find that role, which we've got here, which is no clerk, it's a custom role. And we go to the privileges and well, we'll add a new privilege here. Okay. So create a new privilege. So call it Noah clerk. Okay. So that's creating the new privilege for us. And then in its privilege, we'll add the entry points. So we'll add the reference to that first object that we saw in the scenario form. So there you go. We grant him access to do everything, delete, create, etc. If we go back to the scenario recorder, there was another one here, sales table, which is basically the sales orders. So we go back into here and we'll add that reference as well. So basically, what we're doing, we're giving that role access to customers and sales orders. Okay, sales order page. Actually, I'll just put a few in there as well. It's good. grant the access level on that object, and then we publish. So we've got the role and then obviously the new privilege. So that takes a moment and it's published. So now if we go back into here and we refresh this window, which is logged in as the test account, and we go to accounts payable, under sales and marketing, we have all customers and all sales orders. So we can open up all customers. In fact, what we do, we change the company to USFM. What is it? USMF, sorry, USMF. So this legal entity or company has more information, so it's a better example. So you have all this information here. Now if we go to sales and marketing again, we can see all the sales orders. Now, as you can see, it doesn't give us access for some reason, okay? So if we close that and we go back into here and we can see cust table, yeah?
Yeah.
So let's put cust table into the particular role that we created, well, actually into the privilege. So we find the privilege, no clerk, and we add an action item, and we'll add this guy here. So if he exists as an action, okay, let's just plumb the whole lot in there, just for to make it easy. Bang, and then we publish. So basically, what the scenario recorder allows us to do is quickly identify the entry points required to grant access for a particular role. So if we now go to accounts payable, if we go to sales marketing, and then we look at sales orders, open sales orders. Okay, so we have another issue. Now, based on experience, it's probably because I don't have access to the underlying table, which is called sales table. So if I go back into here and I pick up our role again, so we go back to Noah Clerk, we find the privilege, and then what we can do is on the table, we'll add the reference to a particular tables. We'll add a reference to a table called sales table, which is basically the table that is used to store all the sales orders in the system by company. So sales table, fine, and we there you go. That's our baby.
Yeah.
So we'll add that one. And also what we'll do is we'll add sales line, because sales line is actually the line info on a particular sales order. So let's just say exactly sales line. Oh, sorry, my keyboard. Sales line. So this is basically the table that actually stores the sales order info.
Right.
Okay, so we publish this. And then we go back to, once it's published, we go back to the other form. We'll do a quick refresh. And then we go down to sales marketing, all sales orders. Okay. Okay, so that didn't work. So let me do this now. So if I uh, go back into here and I look at accounts receivable, all sales orders, and I'm going to close this. And then we click on options and security diagnostics, we'll actually find all the roles. This is out of the box, by the way, but you could use this in conjunction with my product. So maintain sales orders a duty that we could have. Okay, so let's add that baby. So that's a duty, yeah. So we go back into here. So actually in this demonstration, Atra, I'm showing you a combination of our security module in conjunction with out-of-the-box functionality from Microsoft. So with those two features combined, two possibilities combined, you have the option to, the facility, shall we say, to basically author your security roles. So we go back into here and we'll see if that works. I'm on a call. Sorry about that, that's my wife. Okay, so we'll go back into sales and marketing, all sales orders, and there you go. We should have it. Yeah, lovely.
Yes.
So basically, what I demonstrated there was a combination of using our customized security module with all its power, and also uh, the combined effort of built-in features of D365 Finance and Operations. Yeah,
Right. Yeah.
super
Nice.
powerful. Yeah.
Yes. Very nice.
So basically, with this our module, it will basically help system admins create roles and do all this stuff very quickly and efficiently.
Yeah.
Any questions, Ettore?
No, that looks great.
Okay, sounds good.
Yes.
I think we're gonna have a catch-up meeting with Nick in New York late this afternoon about 4. So let's see if we can jump on a call and wrap that deal as well. Okay, have
Nice.
a good day.
You
See you
too.
later.
All right. See ya.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.